Festive vibes can be seen with an enormous increase of enthusiasm towards shopping. But it's equally important to add a personalized touch to your home. So, a very warm welcome to RovitaS with a festival special video of making tea light candle holders. So here we have some lying around stuff like this bow fell from my slippers, these roses, some rakhis, paper cutter, scissors, hot glue gun sticks, fevicol, and some party stuff. We also have a few wrapping papers, some colored tapes, and a few variety of laces. Let's see which one can be used. We are also having some pearls and mirrors for decoration. You can either use these tea light candles or the battery operated candles in the candle holders. We have got some colors, a pen holder, a cardboard box, and some lying potpourri around. So let's dive in. For this potpourri cum candle holder, we will use the box portion, the pen holder, a matching wrapping paper, and a glitter tape for decoration. Cover the outside of the box with a wrapping paper and line the sides with a glitter tape. Put the holder in the middle of the box and fill the surrounding area with potpourri. Now let's match the top with the whole setting. Surround the circular top with potpourri to make it look more beautiful. And it's ready. Spray the potpourri with your favorite fragrance and this candle holder would serve two purposes at one time. This one is the simplest of all. You just have to cover the circumference of this plate and that of the candle with a golden lace and decorate the remaining area with the mirrors. For this, we will cover the flap of the black box with the silver wrapping paper and paint the golden plate into white. We will use the white pearls from this to decorate the surface. Do tell us in the comment section which one you like the most. Please subscribe to our channel for many more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Till then, live the life you love, enjoy the festivals and be happy.